I've got this Mallory Electric Fuel Pump that's been out of service for quite a few years. It was working great, I believe, last time it was used. I'm getting ready to bring it back to life, and I'm going to disassemble it and clean it all up, put it back together, and hopefully it'll work just fine. First thing I'm going to do is scribe a little line, or mark a little line, I should say, all along here. And then when I take it apart, I can get it back together the same way it came apart. Make sure this is identifiable. It's got a little gear motor right here that should slide right out. And that needs to go back together the same way it came out. So I think I'm going to put a little mark right on the top side here. And actually, that looks very clean. Okay, I loosened up the jam nut. Now I'm going to count the turns. See if I can get this positioned properly. Okay, so now this is exactly 90 degrees to this surface here. So I'm going to count the turns it takes to get that out of there. There's 1, 2, 3, 3.5. Okay, I'm going to try and see if I can pop it loose right here. There we go. You can see it kind of hanging out right there. If I can get there we go. So now I'm going to clean the inside of this real good. I've got some carburetor cleaner here. A little paintbrush. I'll just go down here and try and clean all this. It's really not too bad. Just got dried fuel in it. Okay, that looks real good. This piece here. bit of steel wool and just kind of lightly clean that. Okay, that looks pretty good. See if it okay, that's good. Now then, it's got a screen right there. That looks to be very clean. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of thread sealant on this thread here. And I've got to go in 3.5 turns. There's a half, 1, 2, okay, that's about where it was. Lock that down real good. Clean this out here. Gear motor. This all looks pretty good actually. Wash this off. Wash this off. And I've got my marks on there, but that's rinsing off when I do this, but I'm keeping track of what's on this outside here. So I can put that back in the same. Very good. O-ring on there. And this goes back on here like this. Better put this one on first. There's my little mark there, so that'll go just like this. This goes just like this. Okay, now I'm going to get a battery and we'll test it. Make sure the motor runs okay. Okay, seems okay. So now I can put this back in the car and have some confidence that it's going to work.